If you want to learn new skill like design, editing or business, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get Skillshare free for 1 month using the official offer link. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see I have just created one account 3 hours ago. Here you can see email received. Welcome to Skillshare. Trial started on January 28, 31 days trial. So here you can see also on skillshare.com. This is the official website. Membership plan and next payment date 27 February. Here you can see. So I will guide you step by step. If you had not still subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also visit my YouTube channel homepage. You will find some useful content like how to get Gemini free, NordVPN or Miro AI, and how to get 1 TB free cloud storage. Here you can see. Or if you want to buy anything, then visit my digital store. First of all, I will give this link in this video description. Just go to this link. Here you can see skillshare.com TEDx invite you to try Skillshare free for 1 month. Just click on this, redeem 1 month free. For this you need one Gmail account. Here you can see. Then click on this continue with Google. Redeem your 1 month of Skillshare. Normally Skillshare only provide you 7 days free trial, but by this link you will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Click on this continue with Google. Choose the Gmail account if you had logged in multiple Gmail account. Sorry, it's asked for number verification. Let me verify this first. Then click on this continue button. Thank you for signing up. It will redirect you to on a start 31 days free trial page. Just you need to add here your card detail and expiry date, CVV, zip code. Then click on this start your 31 days free trial. I had already created one account. Here you can see, so I'm not here adding my card in another account. I will give offer link in this video description and in a first comment also. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐚 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.